Think you know muscle cars? Think again. This 1963 Ford 300 hides a $15,000 Holman and Moody 427 CI Beast under the hood, and it will blow your mind the moment it roars to life. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into a machine that turns the humble into the extraordinary. Right here on this pristine showroom floor sits a 1963 Ford 300, but don't be fooled by the base model reputation. This isn't just any 1963 Ford. This is a race-bred, heart-pounding Holman and Moody built 427 CI side Oiler V8 monster that demands your full attention. From the very first glance, you're hit by the contrast. A clean white exterior, immaculate and gleaming, paired with a striking red interior. A timeless nod to the classic era of American muscle, yet hinting at the ferocity that lies beneath. Every line, every panel, every detail whispers performance and precision. This is not just a car, this is a statement. But let's talk about the heart. Pop the hood and you're staring at an engine that has $15,000 worth of precision craftsmanship poured into it. The legendary 427 CI side Oiler V8, meticulously built by Holman and Moody themselves. If you know your Ford racing history, Holman and Moody are the names behind some of the most dominant race cars of the 1960s. And now that racing pedigree isn't in some museum, it's living, breathing under this hood. Every inch of this engine screams power. Dual 4-barrel Holley carburetors feed this beast, paired with an aluminum intake and radiator to keep it cool under even the most demanding conditions. Add an MSD ignition system and you've got reliability and responsiveness that most modern performance cars can only dream of. This is raw, analog, driver-focused power. And what's power without control? This Ford 300 is equipped with a Texas Racing 4-speed manual transmission, perfectly matched to the engine's explosive character. Downshift and the Hurst floor shifter with line lock lets you command every ounce of torque, while the Lakewood bell housing keeps everything perfectly aligned. Traction isn't an afterthought either. A Ford 9-inch rear axle with Detroit locker ensures that the power hits the pavement with surgical precision, putting you in total control even when things get wild. And yes, it's not just about brute force. New American Racing 17-inch wheels wrapped in modern radials provide the perfect balance of performance and aesthetic appeal. They sit like jewelry on this machine, ready to take on the street or track with elegance and aggression in equal measure. Manual drum brakes and steering? Absolutely. This is raw, analog driving at its finest, a tactile connection between you and the machine where every input matters. Step inside and the story continues. The vinyl and cloth interior might look simple at first glance, but this is no ordinary upholstery. Every gauge, every switch, every auxiliary control is fully functional, designed for drivers who crave total command of their car. The red interior pops against the white exterior, drawing your eye to every perfectly aligned detail. Classic aesthetics fused with purposeful functionality. Now let's imagine this on the open road. You press the clutch, drop it into first, and the engine comes alive with a deep guttural roar. The Holman and Moody 427 CI isn't polite. It doesn't ask permission. It commands attention. The car surges forward, every gear change met with that intoxicating combination of raw torque and mechanical precision. From zero to whatever you dare, it's a symphony of metal, fire, and velocity. A visceral reminder that cars like this don't just transport you, they transform you. And let's not forget value. At $63,995, this isn't just a collector's piece, it's a masterclass in performance and history fused into a single breathtaking machine. A car that can turn heads in a showroom, dominate a drag strip, or simply let you experience the purest form of driving joy. So if you're a lover of classic American muscle, if you crave the intimacy of a car that responds to every touch, and if you want to own a piece of automotive history that has been elevated into a modern-day legend, this 1963 Ford 300 is calling your name. This is more than a car, it's a dream realized in steel and fire. It's a story of racing heritage, master craftsmanship, and the timeless pursuit of performance. And for those willing to feel it, to drive it, to truly experience it, the 1963 Ford 300 isn't just a car, it's an adrenaline-fueled, high-octane work of art.